Hello everyone, my name is Navish Khalid and I am your maths teacher. I hope you are safe and fine. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about 6-digit number and 7-digit number. But before that, I would like to recall or reinforce the place value of 5-digit number. As you can see in the displayed example, what is the place value of 5-digit number? If you have started from your right hand side, first digit place value is ones, then tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. In another example, you can see that what is the place value of every digit in 5-digit number. So 7 is ones, 6 is tens, 5 is 100, 4 is 1000, 3 is 10,000. So this is all about 5-digit number and you are very much familiar about it because you have done it in the previous class. Now we are going to move forward and it is 6-digit number. So it's a 6-digit number. If you have started from your right hand side, the first digit place value is ones, second is tens, hundreds, next thousand, then 10,000, and sixth digit place value is 100,000. In another example, you can see that what is the place value of every digit in 6-digit number. So the place value of 1 is ones, 2 is tens, 4 is 100, 5 is 1000, 7 is 10,000 and 8 is 100,000. So this is the way that how you can read a 6-digit number. So it's a 6-digit number 875421. How you can read it? 875,421. This is the way that how you can read a 6-digit number. I repeat, 875,421. Now we are moving forward towards 7-digit number. All the place values are the same. If you have started from your right hand side, the new place value is million. That is, in this example is 6 million. Another example, it's a 7-digit number. The place value of 9 is ones, 8 is tens, 1 is 100, 2 is 1000, 6 is 10,000, 4 is 100,000 and 3 is million. So this is the way that how you can read a 7-digit number. 3,462,189. This is the way that how you can read a 7-digit number. I repeat, 3,462,189. So these are some numbers for your practice. So what you have to do, you have to write the place value of every digit in this number and also write these number in words. In the next tutorial, we will discuss about the expanded form of 6-digit number and 7-digit number. Thank you everyone.